Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. Mayam punumapu ahanbamaktada Learn English by Speaking taramna mukhana obseri. Today we are going to talk about something very important for speaking English fluently. Ngasi aikoina English ngangbada yamna maruoiba imatang wapam khara koina khanagadauri madudi the four pillars of English fluency. English fajana ngangnabagi oiba four pillars makhong marigi maramda. If you want to speak confidently, adomna English ningthina fajana kidana ngangbiningabadi. Understand English easily, English pu line khangingabadi, and sound natural aduga ngangiba wahaising idu niyom chumna ngangba taragadi pamagadi. You need to focus on these four pillars. Masi ki pillar mari asida hena pungning changba tai. Let's dive in. Ekoi masida koi changsilasko. The first pillar is speaking. Ahanba pillar si makong si ngangthok pasini. Speaking, not saying words. Speaking is not saying words. Wahai khata haibadunati speaking hairgadi. It's expressing your thoughts clearly. Adongi wakalondo phajana phongokudun. Koina speaking has. Why speaking is important? Speaking si karigi darkar oibal. It helps your practice grammar naturally. Masina mahusana masamatanda adum grammar si practice tawjare. Adigi improves your vocabulary. Kaisagi words vocabulary abadi words wahai singdu improve turning agala hentalani. Adigi builds confidence to talk with anyone. Anagumba amaga hekta wari sabak kanda kiba leroi. Adagi thajadabasu leroi isada singnaba aina ngangisibu lanbra natraga chumbra haina tomda confidence leitabado atu leroi. Example ma koi jingasiko. Imagine you learn the word amazing yesterday. Ngarang si adomna amazing haiba English word amatamme haina khalas. If you don't speak, it will forget it. The masi ngangthok trabadi adum kaurane. But if you say it in sentence today, ngasi si sentence wahai parengabada masi koina haihok taragadi like this movie is amazing. Masi movie si yam excellent or very beautiful or amazing haibati excellent. Fantastic, yamna very beautiful haiko. It sticks in your memory. Saya ningsing bagi dudai stick toraga adum lehorane koi kau dana mapam sana lehorane. The second pillar is listening. This speaking loreko pillar 1. Second pillar si kainobu koina listening tabase. Udana tabase. Listening helps your brain understand how native speakers talk. Koigi English na mamalon oijaba mi sing na karmaina English sing ngangi haimana sing badu koina brain da koina galhanba khangaubo machang khangalani. Why listening is important? Ado tabasi karigi no yam darkar leise. Aina hangang sagati. You learn pronunciation and intonation. Konthok koigi, for example, amazing, fantastic, humble. Say what ahum hai ko. Hai kanda moina hai riba sound do tholakpado adu pronunciation konthok konjel do sound do aduni. Intonation hai sometimes the sound will be increased or decreased according to the sentence. Wahai parengdugi matungina koina amu kitang kangkhatpa, kitang tapthaba ado intonation. You understand real life English. Koi nuktigi punsida sinaibi English ki maramda khangani ko. Pronunciation khangani, intonation khangani. Adagi it improves your speaking. Speaking dugi maramda su khangani ko. Automatically phajana khangani because your brain knows the pattern of the sentence. Sentence to the pattern do phajana khangabani na brain na phajana gyan tarane. If you watch English movie or YouTube video, pay attention to how words are spoken naturally. For example, what are you doing? What's doing? What's you doing? Is often spoken as what's doing? What's doing? What are you doing? What's doing? What's doing? What's doing? Nang kari adong kari tauri bagi na koina what are you doing? What's doing? Agani. The third pillar si ging si ko. Third pillar si di reading ne ko. Reading improves your vocabulary. Koi reading tauraga de koina words vocabulary have the words sing siya. CC improve taurani khang bahelani sentence structure and confidence. Why praying si kamai semi aduga masi habanali confidence kiraroi. Digai mistake lairani koni habigi thaja su lairoi. Khandu su lairoi. Why reading is important? Reading si karigi darkar laibu no habadu amu koi khanwina si ko. Masi koina you see correct grammar and spelling. Say reading to the correct grammar duma khangani adagi spelling duma phajana khangani. You learn new words in the context. Say like to the yarum nibo why parendu yarum nibo do e words in the nang tambani adagi di it prepares your brain for speaking in full sentence ta. Full sentence ta koina speaking tong do khang hore. Khudam moina koi hairisi ko. If you read a sentence, adom na wahi paringama paraba. Madudi the little girl smiled and waved at her friends. Apik panupi masado na momonoki amasu mahaki marup mapangsingda magna makutu hairami sumaina bye bye tauki haibine ko. The little girl smiled and waved at her friends. Sumaina ko. Makutu sumaina bye bye tauki haibine ko. Jadi you learn words like smile, adagi wave and friend in a real life context. Adagi nga sagi oji koi na kai tamgre smile haiba wanam ka tamgre adagi web haiba mga friend haiba nga sagi English to reading to rubutegi ano ba vocabulary do tamme ko adagi not just from a dictionary day nataba kasi context yawram ba wahi paring koi na paru budu tegi tamme ko sini koi na kanari siko. Then the fourth pillar is writing. Mari suba makhong do. Aroy ba makhong je writing ne. Writing helps you or organize your thought in English. Writing to usina nga sagi kay lobo ay wakhan je. Masi organize pajana asoy angam yawda na wakhan je pajana organize to ngam ne. English ta. Adagi why writing is important. Writing is karigi maru wari no na hangata ki koina it improves grammar naturally. Grammar sima dum improve weran writing torok tari ko writing torok kanda mga sai tamu pa grammar mayam do matum da pak thola. It helps you remember words and phrases. Why paring mateng why singdo loy na ningsing mo mateng pangani. Writing allows you to think in English, which makes speaking easiest. Yam line ngang thong na bo na ko madam da wakhan da khanji line khalane. Writing to busina. And today, say example on page ko. Today I wake up early. I had breakfast and went for a walk. I wake up early. I nganna hawat ki. I had breakfast. I get part of ki and went for a walk. This small sentence connects your brain with English thinking pattern. Kanbagi mong duga ng ay adong brain duga ani do samdan bangam ne. He never put lot na tawin. So friends, the 4 pillars of English fluency are speaking, practice every day, don't fear mistake, and second, listening, listen to real life English conversation daily. Number 3, reading. Read aloud, learn words in context. Haibadi, read aloud hauna makhon thongna pau do wahai sing yawram miba laik tu da yam tamu. Writing, you organize your thoughts, write daily. Numit khudingi wakhan do organize sindok sinjin hajana niyom chumna ba dum nuti you sine bahais yandai ko maya. That's it for today's lesson. If you follow these 4 pillars consistently, masi singa sininga sigi parase koina tambase kayuma masigi makung mari si consistently id continuously daily regularly koina sang naina lepalaitana koina follow toraba koina hindi bataragadi your English fluency will improve faster than you imagine. Adom na khanbiri bawa khalam badu de he ne English ngang bagi haibagi sang hangkat kani. If you like dom na pambi bathuwa ba this video masigi video se hit the like button do hit the view, subscribe the view and press the bell icon do the nambi you so maramadano you don't miss more English lesson. Adom aigi lessons in se kayma miss to gitanaba aduna sine keep practicing, stay confident and see you in the next video. Bye bye.